lovelies, welcome back to the channel. Today we have another Spooky Box Club unboxing. Very exciting indeed. Although I have to say, of all the boxes, this is probably one that I've been the least excited for because the theme is conspiracy theories. And I'm actually not really into the whole conspiracy theory thing, but I feel like I'll probably still have stuff in this box that I like because, you know, there's only so conspiracy theory-ish that I feel like items in this could get. So even though I don't like conspiracy theories themselves, I'm sure whatever the theme is, it'll be fun, but I'm intrigued anyway to see. Will I love it? Will I not? Let's find out. So let's just pop this open and see, shall we? What are we dealing with on top? Okay. So first of all, we have our candy, and it is this ultra sour toxic waste nuclear sludge chewy thing. Ugh. Like, I know what this kind of stuff tastes like, and like, it hurts here already. Thinking about it is making, you know, like the saliva glands at the back. Even thinking about biting into this is hurting those. Oh my gosh. But if you love super sour stuff, this tree, I'll probably give this to Jake. I'll try like a little bit of it, but I think I'm gonna give this to Jake because like, it's already hurting me. Okay. We have, woo! The little thank you card. And we have what's in here, which I will not read until the end because I like surprises. Okay, so first of all, oh, that's cute. Oh, okay, hold on. It is, I'm sure a lot of people will enjoy it. Wait, what are you? It's something with a little alien charm. And as much as I'm not like a big alien person, that little guy is, it's weird, as a kid I was obsessed with aliens. These days not so much, but this little guy is adorable. I do kind of love him. Maybe this is the start of another charm bracelet. Maybe because like we got so many charms for the last one, this is the beginning of like a new one. Because this is like sort of charm bracelet style, so that's cool. Another charm bracelet on the go, if I'm correct. So yeah, first little charm is a little alien. That's very cute. Ooh. Next up is a cool little patch. And it's like a bunch of eyeballs. You can see there, and it says, what lurks in the, what does it say? What lurks in the vast unknown. So that's cool. I'll definitely have to save this because I still want to do like a patchy jacket and I haven't got around to it, but I have like loads of patches saved, so this is going in with those. Okay, next up we have some stickers. Cryptid Conspiracies. Oh no, they're not stickers. Cupcake creepers. Wait, are they stickers? Yes, okay. Vinyl sticker pack. So it's like cryptid cupcake themed stickers. That's cute. Although we're back with the sticker commitment issues. Oh, these are actually very cute. And I guess I'm not super big into conspiracy theories, but I do enjoy cryptid stuff, so I forgot about that. So first of all, we have this little alien dude, and it says 51, you know, like Area 51. So that's very cute. Ooh, cute. We have this guy, who I think is probably supposed to be Mothman. Yes, it says Point Pleasant. I can't remember the full Mothman story, but I'm pretty sure this is Mothman. We have a little Bigfoot. And then my favorite one is, I'm assuming this is the Chupacabra. And I don't know, I've always like really liked the idea of the Chupacabra, so that makes me happy. These are cute. Oh, because they're, oh, I might put one of these on my little mini fridge up here, you know, because they're food themed. Oh, which one? Because like, part of me says the Chupacabra one because he's my favorite, but then the sticker commitment issues means that I don't want to use my favorite because it's very permanent. I like the color scheme with the Mothman though. I might go with that. I don't know. I just think that would be cute. The only one I don't love is the the Bigfoot one just because it has a big hairy foot on it. But it's still cute. Okay, next up there is something in a box. 'Tis a mug. Oh, it's one of these. Oh yay! Oh cute! The legendary Mothman of Point Pleasant. Cryptid Coffee House, Troubles Brewing. Okay, I actually love this. And it's one of these like enamel mugs, and the last one that we got of these is like my favorite cup ever. So I'm actually really happy to have another cup in that style. I especially love these for soup. I don't know why, I just like this type of cup. So that makes me happy actually. And the little Mothman on it is very cute. I'm enjoying this much more than I thought I would, I have to say. I was not excited for this box, but it's going well. So this seems to be a bottle opener. It's like a big metal bottle opener, which is always handy because I feel like anytime people come over, I never seem to have something like this, so I always end up like opening bottles by putting them and doing the trick. So it's good to have a civilized thing, and it says Conspiracy Theories and Chill. So that is useful for me. Oh, there's a pin in here. Oh, that's cute. I kind of wish it was a different color because I love the design, but I don't really like copper, but it says trust no one, and it's like a skull and stuff. I absolutely love the design of this. I think it's really, really pretty. Like I like the flowers and the skull and everything, but I don't really wear copper is the only sad thing, so I don't know what I can put this on, but it is very cute. And then finally, what do we have? Oh, it's cute, whatever it is. Is it a pillowcase maybe? Hold on. What is this? It's like a something with a bunch of different things on there. So what have we got? I'm trying to read it backwards. So yeah, you might recognize some of these. It's like various sort of like cryptid sightings and stuff. Like especially, like I know these guys were like really big. I'm just not sure what this is, but it's kind of cool, so. All right, let's read through and figure out what we've got here. So, custom-made Mothman enamel mug, yes. Cupcake Creepers vinyl sticker pack, Alien charm and bracelet, yes. Trust no one enamel pin, yes. Bar blade bottle opener, what does that mean? I don't know, but yes, we got that. Mysterious Monsters bandana, okay, that's a bandana. Okay. The Vast Unknown patch, yes, and Toxic Waste candy. Yes, we got everything. So yeah, this is the only thing I was confused by. This is apparently a bandana. So yeah, that was actually much more fun than I thought it would be. There's a few things in here that will definitely be very useful to me, like the bottle opener is good, and I love the mug. I love those mugs, and I'm definitely going to use one of these cute little cupcake stickers from my fridge up here, because I think that would be adorable. So even though this box's theme was just very not my thing at all, I did actually still have a good time. Not too bad. Not too bad at all. So that's good. Well, I hope that you enjoyed this. Let me know if you like conspiracy theories, because I feel like everyone's so into them. Like, it's such a big thing on YouTube lately, is like conspiracy theories, but I don't know, it's just not really my thing. The only sort of side of it that I do sort of enjoy is the cryptid side of things, but other than that, I'm like, I don't hate them, but they're just not like something that I'm like super obsessed with. Let me know what your favorite thing in the box was and whether or not this theme is something you enjoyed. If you could give this video a thumbs up, I would appreciate that very much. If you're new here, consider subscribing. We have lots of other videos for you to check out. And finally, before you leave, if you could consider checking out my Patreon today, that would be great, and I will love you extra for that. Patreon is great, and it's how I can keep making these videos for you guys, so I very much appreciate anyone who supports me on there. I just realized that this whole video, my camera has been off-center to my little messy pile of the room. Oh no. Oh well. But yes, thank you so much to anyone who supports me on Patreon already, and an extra thank you to anyone who checks it out today. I will love you forever for that. The link is in the description, and I will see you next time. Bye, lovelies.